Hi, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Thank you for joining me for this video. Today I want to share with you a Gucci bag which I picked in Venice designer outlet. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Natalia and I'm self-admitted shameless shopaholic, and I post on YouTube videos on how I spend my money or how I waste my money. So if you enjoy shopping, especially luxury designer handbags, but also non-designer fashion and all the fun stuff that we women enjoy, please consider joining my Anonymous Shopaholic club down below so we stay in this addiction together. So today finally is the time to reveal which Gucci bag I picked in designer outlet in Venice. And you guessed it, if you watched my vlog from Venice, from the designer outlet in Venice, you saw there was so many beautiful Gucci bags that I just got crazy there. Like, I spent there probably nearly 2 hours and I had really hard time to decide which one to pick. And I remember one of you writing like, I'm curious which one, because of course you knew I couldn't live without a bag. So maybe let's get into the bag first, and then I will tell you why I picked this one over other ones. So the bag is in this box, but that's not the box from the collection. I got a sequin bag and that was from some other collection. However, let's admire it. It's so beautiful, that holographic box. I don't know which collection, what bag was coming in it, but I'm really glad they found it and they gave it to me, because yeah, I might be a little pain for the salespeople, but I always ask them for the boxes and the ribbons or whatever. But I always buy stuff, so I'm not only bothering them. So I feel a little bit excused, or that's for my defense, that I actually always buy something. But anyway, let's open the box and show you the bag. So here we have the bag, but probably you won't be able to see the bag properly because it's wrapped very well in the plastics, and I just kept it for fun, I don't know, or for security while traveling. So she brought me, the sales associate that I was shopping with, she brought me completely new bag, which was wrapped in plastic very tightly. And she showed me the bag first. We saw if there is no flaws and, you know, no problem with the bag. And then she wrapped it again and put in even new sticker. Let's get into this. Let's not ruin that sticker. Here you see that the color is black. It was wrapped all like this, and then also inside. So a lot of plastic. So I went very classic and very, let's say, traditional way. I got a black bag with a sparkle. So I had a really tough time because there were so many of those sequin bags, and there was also multicolor collection. And honestly, if I could, I would probably end up buying 2 or 3 bags. But yeah, well, that was not the right thing to do. Yeah, I got to keep my money for some other shoppings as well, right? And I almost bought also Marmont in multicolor in yellow. I love that bag. I really loved it. How it was popping against clothes, and the dress I had that day was also actually good for trying anything colorful. So that was kind of a problem, right? By the way, I'm wearing a Lily Silk shirt. It's the first time I'm wearing it, and those pearl buttons, they are not the tightest, or like, you know, they are not very secure. So I will check if I'm not showing you too much accidentally. But otherwise the dress is nice. I would suggest to size up, or I just have to lose a few kilos, which actually I should do. Anyway, they had many colors of this bag, and they had like silver, they had gold, they had this pale salmony pink, pale blue, black. That's what I remember. So my decision was around this black, which initially I didn't think I will go for just black. And I was thinking about the pink and the blue, and mostly the blue was more on my in my, you know, mind, because the pink, I thought it was a little bit too light pink, or somehow I thought that this color would be very difficult to pair with other colors or with any clothing in general. So that pink, like if I put it on my shoulder, it looks beautiful. If I looked at it, it was beautiful and very tempting. But the blue, I thought it was more a usable color. And the black, I was initially thinking that, yeah, it's just a black with sequin, and like I was thinking I have that crystal Prada. Like, I was not really into that. But then the salesperson kind of, you know, mentioned like, yeah, that one is like, you know, something extra for the evening, but it's still black. It's, you know, very versatile, very usable, like, you know, all those, you know, obvious things. And then I like started to think to myself, yeah, actually that's true. Like, it's something that I can use only for evenings, for special occasions, and it's like this, you know, the black evening bag, which maybe I actually need. So that was my decision process, and that's how, after, you know, long time, I decided which one I'm going for. Of course, I took long time there also because I was making those clips for the vlog, and I don't dare to tell people that I am a YouTuber, and I actually don't want to even call myself a YouTuber because hello, I'm not even 700 subscribers now, so it's like, you know, I don't feel like, oh, I am a vlogger, a YouTuber or something. I just don't feel comfortable saying that, and I don't know if they would like it. So I rather do it like as for my own, you know, videos, and then, you know, then I make a vlog. That's a little bit, you know, cheaty way, but that's how I actually do the vlogs. And there were also two colors which I did not consider from the get-go. From the beginning, that was no for me, which was the silver and the gold. And you might think like, hello, you are really shiny gold and, you know, la la la, and I want a gold bag. But let me tell you, in my opinion, not to offend anybody, but the gold and the silver looked a little bit tacky. Yeah, I didn't like it how it just, to me, it just looked really cheap and tacky, and the gold and the silver, it was no for me. It was something like too bright gold and too metallic silver, if that makes any sense, that they did not look elegant and sophisticated for me. So that's why I never looked at the shoes in those colors, and also the bags, like from the beginning, the colorful, the gold, silver, no, and then I was looking on those three. Oh, there was also a multicolor, which was also like something that not really, like, really didn't catch my attention. And eventually I got the black one, which I think it was probably the most reasonable and rational decision I could make at the time. So let's have a close look on the bag. Nothing, you know, very groundbreaking. Is a Gucci Marmont bag with that classic Gucci Marmont closure, and on the back is full of sequins, no back pockets. It has silver hardware, which initially I thought I would prefer gold, because most of the time I wear gold jewelry. I just recently started to like buy a little bit silver and wear a little bit silver again after years. But actually I think maybe that was the right thing, to pair these sequins with silver, and also black is black, but the other sequins were cool tones. So the blue and the pink, they were cool tones. So I think that silver actually matched very well with the, you know, with the idea of the bag. So at the end I made my peace with this, that this is a silver hardware, and I still can buy a black bag with a gold hardware for the evenings. I have an excuse to buy another one. That one, I believe, is actually a mini Marmont, which is actually shocking for today's standards of what is mini, that this is a mini Marmont bag. For the mini bag, it's very, very spacious and big. And oh, it's a little bit tough to open. I have to press it. So inside it has this satin lining. I think it's satin, however, it could be silk. It has that pocket here with a bunch of care booklets and some, I don't know, numbers, codes. Maybe it says here what is the lining, if I can see it. No. And here on the back of the flap it has leather. That's what I believe it is. And well, that's it. Let's take the sticker off together, because of course the back stays with me. No way, it's, you know, I'm not selling anything, you know that. So that's it. That is my purchase from Venice outlet, and I have another vlog coming for you from designer outlet village in Sicily. So I went there and I also made a little vlog, so that will come very soon. I forgot to mention a very important point, which is the price of the bag. So it was 50% off. It was 980 euro, with the original price on the tag was 1990. So it was half price, plus I got tax-free, which means that I probably got it for 900 euro, which is amazing. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending some time with me. Let me know which color would you pick if you were there, and how long it would take you to decide. Until next time, take care and don't forget to enjoy your life. Bye guys.